works the other way. It's really hard to get it the other way. It's really hard. It's yeah, it's turn on and turn off the torch. It's right above the torch, so I could see it better. It's so fucking hard to do it. You'll get it to flash, but it's hard to like get it immediately. Yeah, see? It's so fucking hard. We'll have to figure out a better way to use the stool teleporters. I wonder if I can if I could put more around here. More stools, more stools. Alright, there's a lot of stools up here now. Mm-mm. That shit is so difficult. Yeah. Yeah, 100%. I even put one over, I thought I put one over by the portal. Oh, I did. Kia! Yeah.